Hey guys, welcome back to another video that's of course related to Wattpad, which is pretty much all that I post about on this channel. So if you're new here and you're an aspiring writer that's trying to figure out how to grow and get your content seen across Wattpad, well, I'm where you need to be. That's what I post here on this channel. So if you want, you can check out my Wattpad writing related playlist, as well as my podcast, which is listed in the description box below of this video, for help and writing advice on getting started as a writer, whether on or off Wattpad. Anyways, getting back on topic. So if you're already established on Wattpad and you're looking to get into the mini contests that they run and things like that to hopefully bring new eyes and attention to you and your stories, then you're probably already familiar with the Wattys. If you're not and you're brand new to Wattpad and you're totally confused about what any of this is, the Wattys is basically given Wattpad's massive platform, probably the biggest are one of the biggest online writing competitions ever, perhaps. So if you have a book that you're like super passionate about, that you've worked so hard on and you think it deserves to be, I don't know, on the bestsellers list or whatever, and you think you have a shot at maybe winning something in the Wattys, then you can go ahead and enter your book into the competition. Before 2019 though, to enter the Wattys, all you had to do was basically just add a tag to your story, like hashtag Wattys 2018 or whatever year it was, and it was like an automatic entry into the competition. Now, when it comes to how books are judged and what categories you can enter, this is not that type of video for that. All that info can be found on the Wattys Wattpad page, and I'll also link that profile in the description box below for you as well. For this year, 2019, Wattpad is doing things a little differently when it comes to entering the Wattys, and I, for one, kind of like this change because it kind of makes people have to actually put some thought and effort into their entry instead of just like being a spammer and like just slapping the Wattys tag on all of their books, which some may not even meet the proper eligibility requirements and all that, and like just forgetting about it. So I think it kind of helps to cut down on some of the spam and shit like that. But anyway, so to enter the Wattys for 2019, you now have to fill out this little submission form, which you can find on the, what do they call it? When you go in there to edit your book or whatever, you can find the form there. And after you fill all of that out, you hit submit, and the tag will automatically appear on your story. And also on this submission page, you can even be able to enter your story to be considered for other Wattpad related programs like the Paid Stories program, where your book is locked, or the chapters of your book are locked and readers have to pay to unlock them, so you can earn money that way. And you can also submit your story to be considered for the Wattpad Stars program and various other things. It's pretty cool. So you can kind of like submit your story into various different things all in one place, so it's very convenient. That's the word I'm looking for. And that's basically it, how you enter the Wattys for 2019. I like this change personally because if you're someone who's serious about writing, this will actually help you out in the long run, especially when it comes to having to query agents and things like that for whatever book you want to get out there. Because if you don't know like what a tagline is or a log line, or if you don't know how to summarize your entire story in under 1,000 words, spoilers and all, then now is the best time to practice and educate yourself and get on top of working all that out so that you don't come across this issue in the future when someone maybe reaches out to you on Wattpad and they're interested in your story and they want to work with you and they ask you for a 500-word synopsis and logline of your book, and you're like, what? so don't be that person. Know what you're doing, know what you're talking about. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a short little update that I found pretty interesting because I know a lot of people do enjoy the Wattys and do participate in it each year, and they may not know about this new change or whatever. So I don't know. Just want to help out my fellow writers out here. So let me know your thoughts on everything and if you'll be entering the Wattys this year. And as always, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And do check out my podcast again, which is listed in the description box of this video. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.